Yikes. AAVE is absolutely plummeting down at the moment, guys, and at this rate we may even see $100 AAVE. I just want to do a quick dirty clean update video for you guys today, because basically AAVE has capitulated all the way down to this $115 level, and we can see that we do have some key areas of support that we need to keep our eyes on around really this particular area here, where we've got these kind of lovely little lows just like this joining up. And to be fair, we have lost that support on the diagonal, so hopefully we can retest this $116 level. But what I do think can potentially happen is maybe we're going to see a bit more downside potential, maybe even looking at the $112 support level, because what happens, you know, if we break this particular support level, we'll be coming down much lower, guys, and it's going to be very violent. I can imagine we'll be even seeing the $96 level next if we do lose this particular support at $111. Of course, we can get a bounce at this particular level. We can still see a bounce off of this $112 level, and maybe even see $150 if the market gets the bounce and it needs to. But that does not mean we're going to start a new uptrend. That just means we're putting through another high. Not a higher high, it just means we're taking another swing high before maybe taking a swing low even lower. Because what's happened with Bitcoin at the moment is, of course, we've lost some key area of support. We've lost the January 22 support over here. So that 2022 support we've written in on January 24th has been lost. We lost this key diagonal support here. We lost this 32.9k support. And the next ones we're looking at is basically from June 2021, the supports from last summer. If we lose those supports, you know, you'll be looking at 30.9k, we'll be looking at 29.2k. Even 28.7k. So a lot of things are potentially happening right now. AAVE is trading at $117, rank 55, so it's still one of our blue chip medium caps of $1.6 billion. And the thing is, we can actually still see a fantastic valuation for this project in the future. I mean, let's assume that AAVE did correct a bit further. Let's have a look at what has potentially happened already from the market cycle top. We've come down about 83% already. Now, I wouldn't expect too much more downside. This would take us to 85%. I think at most, maybe a 90% cycle correction. And if that did happen, we can start speculating what would happen with our Fibonacci extension tool. And this is what I believe will happen, to be honest, guys. So look at our 1.2 Fibonacci extension for the next bull market cycle. We're going to see $828, $913, and $1,000. $1,000 AAVE is absolutely inevitable, guys. One day in the future, it's gonna happen. So if you want to grab AAVE today, if you want to buy it for the long-term hodl, you know, the strategy to hold and accumulate over the years, to grow your wealth. Not financial advice, of course. I'm just a guy that makes YouTube videos. Do consider buying down at these lower levels, and use the link in my description to grab some AAVE today as well, guys. So this is what I do speculate is going to happen for AAVE. I mean, looking at the market at the moment, it is very trashy. I don't think we're going to get this big double bottom reversal pattern play out. It could. I mean, if you look here at the daily time frame, we could get this lovely sort of double bottom reversal play out like so, but I just don't think it's going to happen. I think the sentiment is bearish. We're under the bull market support band. We're still under the 20-day moving average, but on this daily time frame we are looking oversold, and on the 4-hour time frame where we're looking extremely oversold for AAVE. So this also does make me feel like, is it actually a good time to potentially buy and get this bounce off this key support area, because we're so oversold. 22 on the RSI. You know, who really knows what can happen? It's risky, guys. It's risky. Anyhow, let's look at the market overview. We can see Bitcoin is down on the weekly market capitalization by 15.5%. Ethereum down 14.9%. We've lost the 33k level of support. Ethereum is just hovering below 2.4k at the moment. Guys, if you're new here, make sure you also hop over to my Twitter, enter my $100 giveaway. All you got to do is hop over, retweet, tag 3 friends, subscribe to the channel, and that will allow you to enter. If you want to hop into the Discord channel as well, make sure you do come into the Discord channel, by the way, because it's completely free. This will give you a free entry as well. So you'll get 2 entries, one for doing the tweet and one for coming into the Discord. Appreciate the support, guys. Much love. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Stay crypto safe. Bye now.